If you want to create a story highlight on Instagram, here's how to do it step by step. First of all, open up the Instagram app on your phone and make sure you log into your account. Now, go to your profile by tapping on the profile icon at the bottom right of the screen. After that, tap on the plus icon at the top right corner, right next to the three horizontal lines. Now, from the options that appear, tap on Story Highlight. After that, choose the stories you want to add from your archive, and once you've selected them, tap on Next. Here, you can name your highlight, and if you want, you can also tap on Edit Cover to change the highlight icon. And once you're happy with it, just tap on Add. And just like that, your new highlight will be added to your profile. And that's all. That's how you create a story highlight on Instagram. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more of these videos, and thank you for watching.